AYANNEO just keeps on giving. Followed by the recently launched AYANNEO 2S, now they're gearing up to release a brand new iteration of the AYANNEO Air, the AYANNEO Air 1S. Judging by the specs, it seems like they're going against the ASUS ROG Ally, but will it have what it takes to beat the new rival? Let's find out.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
Well, first of all, both these handhelds are powered by 8-core/16-thread Zen 4 AMD chips based on RDNA3 technology. However, there are a few variations. ROG Ally uses its own custom-made 4nm chip, which has a maximum boosted clock speed of up to 5.10 GHz. On the other hand, the upcoming AYANNEO Air 1S features currently the best handheld processor available, the Ryzen 7 7840U, with a maximum boosted clock speed of up to 5.1 GHz. So in terms of performance, even though the latest AYANNEO Air 1S possesses the most powerful AMD APU, due to Ally's custom-made AMD chip design, both these handhelds come down to the same level of power. Apart from the processors, both these handhelds are equipped with LPDDR5 memories and PCIe SSDs. Although AYANNEO hasn't specified actual memory capacity yet, but judging from the previous consoles, they're most likely to put 32GB of RAM and a maximum of 2TB of SSD storage. Now, if you look at the gaming performance, AYANNEO did show a few gameplay videos based on TDPs on a different level. At 20W 720p settings, this console can run Forza Horizon 5 with an average of 77 FPS while keeping the temperature at 57 degrees Celsius. Switching to 1080p resolution with the same settings, it almost hits 60 FPS while keeping the temperature slightly higher at 58 degrees Celsius. In contrast, ROG Ally does come pretty close. According to PocketLint, on the testing of Forza Horizon 5, at 1080p higher settings it gets around 30 FPS, but while dropping it down to 720p medium settings and turning on the FSR 2.0, it reaches around 70 FPS. However, if you switch to the lower settings, you'll definitely get the same level of performance as the new AYANNEO Air 1S. So, despite having the latest AMD chips, performance of the ROG Ally seemed to be underwhelming. Talking about the display, ROG Ally is currently known for having the most amazing display on the handheld console market according to many reviewers. It includes a 7-inch IPS panel featuring 1080p resolution and 500 nits of brightness, but what truly made this display stand out is the 120Hz refresh rate, which makes it one of the first handhelds to come in the market with a higher refresh rate such as this. Now, if we compare it to the upcoming AYANNEO Air 1S display, we see that the size is comparatively smaller, at 5.5 inches. And since AYANNEO has not specified the refresh rate, we can clearly assume it won't be less than 60 Hz. However, what makes this display interesting is that it's going to be an OLED panel with 350 nits of peak brightness, which is pretty impressive. We've also seen this OLED panel on the original Air model, so yes, the display on this handheld is gonna be a pretty good one. Transitioning to design, aesthetically ROG Ally looks nothing less than stunning with its seamless branding and a beautiful white chassis, and ASUS managed to pull out the best look for this handheld. The AYANNEO Air on the other hand seems much more compact and lightweight with a similar structure layout as the original Air model. It weighs about 450 grams with a thickness of 21.6 mm, whereas the ROG Ally weighs almost about 608 grams and 21.2 mm thickness. Although it may not be that heavier, the weight difference is still noticeable. Additionally, both these devices include beautiful LED glows underneath the joysticks which look visually appealing. Additionally, both these consoles are equipped with Hall effect sensor triggers. If we consider the overall aesthetic, most of us will obviously find the ROG Ally to be pretty attractive due to its unique design layout. However, if you consider the weight, the AYANNEO Air 1S might just be the most lightweight handheld gaming PC that's about to come out. As we conclude, the price tag for the base version of the upcoming AYANNEO Air 1S is $799, while the base version of ASUS ROG Ally comes at a very affordable price range of $699. So if you're looking for the most value, the ROG Ally is definitely unbeatable, but considering the compact lightweight design, better gaming performance, and the OLED panel display, the AYANNEO Air might be actually a better purchase for some users, such as those who are buying a handheld console for the first time. But if you already own a few handheld devices, then you might want to reconsider your buying options here. However, it's still debatable, because ROG Ally's 7-inch 120Hz refresh rate is unlike any display we have seen on the handheld so far. So, is the OLED panel enough to beat the higher refresh rate? That we will find out when AYANNEO Air 1S actually comes out. So, that was all about the comparison between the ROG Ally and AYANNEO Air 1S. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.